in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your language on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to search for settings. Best result, go back with settings. Go ahead and select that. On the left panel, you want to select time and language. And then on the right side, select language and region. Underneath preferred language, select the add a language button. Either search in this list for your language or just scroll through and then locate it and then select next to install it. Once it is installed, you will have the option where it says Windows Display Language to select this drop-down. Select the proper display language you want, and then you will need to restart your device to save that change, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.